Mm. Fuzzy. Okay, don't give it that. Here. Okay.
Did you give Fatty one? She's not hardly eating.
Here, Jump.
She's not. Here,
Jumper. That's not Jumper. That's Fuzzy. I don't think she likes them that well.
She does. She wants me to lay it down, but I know if I lay it down, you know who's going to get
Jumper, get it. No, Tom.
it. Yep.
Her kitty.
See, she'll get it if I lay it down. See? She took it. The other kitty's away from her.
You want to?
No, jumper.
Oh, good Jumper. Oh, meow at me.
And they love them things, don't they? They would eat them like they would their food.